What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon 1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit differently. I'm going to give you swatches of some makeup that I have picked up so that you can see if it is something that would look good on your complexion. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. So like I said, today is completely different. I got a lot of makeup recently and I want to showcase them on YouTube, but I don't necessarily want to make 5 or 6 different videos about the things that I've gotten. So what I decided to do was just give you guys a little swatch video so that you can see how these products work on pigmented skin and how, like, if you are lighter than me or darker than me, you can kind of get like an approximation of what it would look like on your skin. And if you are in my foundation range, in my skincare range, then you can see what it would look like on you and if you wanted to buy that. So without further ado, we are going to start the swatch party. So we are starting out with the JKO Cosmetics Luxe Gloss. The name is Luxe and the finish is Luxe. It is a pale mauve nude gloss and the website says that it works great alone or as a lip topper. It's infused with shea butter for ultra moisture and hydration, and it has a 2-sided flat applicator that distributes the perfect amount of gloss. This gloss is cruelty-free. Next, we're moving on to their blushes. This first one is Dynasty, and it is categorized as a mulberry tone blush. And this one is Earth Tone, which is categorized as a rust tone blush. These blushes are pigmented, they blend easy, they're buildable, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. These next 2 products are some lashes from Shop JKO Cosmetics and some sunglasses from Shop McKoi Manner, which is their sister brand that sells accessories. These are super cute. I am going to be wearing these lashes soon, and I love these sunglasses. Next, we have the Nabla Cosmetics Skin Glazing highlighters. This is Lucent Jungle. I've worn this one before. This one is described as a warm gold with bronze reflex. Next we have Privilege, which is described as a champagne with duochrome peach reflex. Amnesia is described as a golden champagne. And Truth is a peachy rose. These literally are my favorite highlighters at the moment, so if you guys have some spare coins, go pick them up at Ulta and NablaCosmetics.com. Next, we're moving on to the Mented Cosmetics Baby Girl Stack. It is 5 shades and they're super pigmented. The first shade in this is Hopeless Romantix, which is a beaming duochrome with a yellow gold to hot pink shift. You can wear it as eyeshadow or a highlight. Next is Scammin, an ultra matte eyeshadow that is a hot coral transition shade. Then we have Main Squeeze, which is a striking red-orange. Then it's Crush, which is a luxurious foiled rustic terracotta eyeshadow. And finally, there's Breakup, and this is a highly saturated burnt umber shade. I love the formulation of the melt stacks, and I love how this one looks. They have done warm tones right with this stack. Next, we have the Lovesick stack, and it is a 4-shade stack that has Promiscuous, which is a beautiful color-changing violet blue. And if you put it over a black shadow, it changes colors completely. Next is Fixated, which is a gorgeous matte gray. Amelie is a perfect peachy gold. You can use it as highlight, you can use it as eyeshadow. It's just so beautiful. Then Lovesick is a beautiful ultra matte burgundy red. This next shade is a single shadow from the Dark Matter stack. It's called Enigma. It's a single, so I'm going to swatch it here. I don't have a description for it, but it's definitely a brownish red. And here are all 5 of those shades. The Rust palette is after their Rust stack, which honestly is one of my favorite things that Melt has ever come up with. It is 10 pigmented shades, and I'm gonna go through them really quickly for you. So the first one is Classic, which is an ultra matte soft vanilla tone. Antique is a beautiful ultra matte peach shadow. Erode is an intense apricot matte. Rubbish is a gorgeous ultra matte Dijon mustard color. The next four are Tarnish, Rust, Redox, and Mar. Tarnish is a vintage warm gold. Rust is a deep terracotta matte with a rich red undertone. Redox is a breathtaking burnt copper, and Mar is a rich and sultry mahogany. The last two are Ravage and Rot Squared. Ravage is a deep bronze eyeshadow, and Rot Squared is a dark chocolate brown. It's almost like a black brown. It's perfect for like under your lash line or like grounding some eyeshadow colors in the outer V. It's amazing. Here they are all together. Last thing we're swatching today is the Melt 27 palette, and I've had my eye on this for a long time and I've just gotten it. This palette is full of nudes that are perfect for every day. The first four shades are Naked Sleep, Downtown, Nip Slip, and Moxie. Naked Sleep is a hot apricot nude. Downtown is a baked clay hue. Nip Slip is a peach shade. Moxie is a burnt orange pigment. Next four are Crime Fighter, One More Thing, Thick, and Vegas Past. Crime Fighter is a copper foil. One More Thing is a delicate warm taupe transition shade. Thick is a full-bodied rosy mauve. And Vegas Past is a bold bronze foil shade with green and rose gold reflex. The next two are Whiskey Neat and Mood Child. Whiskey Neat is a brown. It looks more like a cool brown, and then Moonchild is the deepest shade, and it is a maroon shadow. And here they are. If you're looking, yes, I did pull an okie doke. I swatched them off camera, so I fake swatched them again. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys like this. If you would like to see more videos like this, just let me know. I can put some stuff together for you, like old things, new things. There are lots of makeup that I have in the glam room that I don't necessarily showcase all the time on the channel because I'm doing a lot of reviews, or you know, we're doing nail content, or you know, whatever. So if you guys would like to see some more swatches of some more things on medium brown skin, then just let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you click the notification bell so that you are a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Please do not forget to follow me at Glamazon1026 on Twitter and Instagram so that you can know all of my goings on, okay? If you would like that, just make sure you click that follow button, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.